it, right? Only a few would get that. Whiskey wish. Let's see. All nice.
That smells good. Don't you smell it?
How can you smell it? You know, you know the smell that.
Dude, honestly,
I can smell that.
The smell is very bad.
If I do the drink, when I'm drinking, I'm like, I have to. That's how I eat sometimes. In order for me to taste it, I have to like.
Why you not
like inhale?
Or you just it?
Yeah, like something like that. For like about a year, I've been like that.
No, honestly, I'm using my sense of smell. It has to be really strong. Or right in my face.
What are you doing, miss?
What's it fucking doing?
Tell me what you're doing.
She's boiling the pan. She's gonna boil it. Get it boiling.
She's getting it wet. The pan.
You have to get it wet in order to use it. In order for it to be easy.
This is why you laughing.
It's a joke. It's a joke. We're gonna choke each other later.
Like I said,
No, I can't hear anything.
Yeah, whatever. I'm the one that's trying it. How's it look, guys?
You tell me.
Looks good. I guess it looks good.
You said it the second time you said that. Ooh. You hear that, Christina? Oh my lord.
I think this is enough. You don't want to it.
Well, you don't want it to be like silky and stuff?
Silky, huh? No,
What?
you just don't want to overmix.
Oh, I'm thinking of what is it? Pancakes.
Can't record in it?
Ooh, look at that. My. No. No. You know Actor's really a gangster? You ever heard his songs he plays?
I don't think you can get one from Can I help you say this? Old people do? They trust and they say so much help. Right? Is it this? Yes. Old people know. I don't get it.
We're old fashioned.
Okay, Sad, this is not the same yet.
Are you gonna lift that? Do you would, dude.
Hell yeah. But I need a spoon.
That's diabetes in a bowl.
I need a spoon. You gotta get that. Right? Until everything is... I don't get it, you I think it's a German thing. Yep. Yeah, that's German. No. But I want to get there. I want to get stationed there for my first appointment.
Oh, what am I gonna do?
Maybe it's the other. Yeah, but I know, like, not really stationed there, but you know, like when you have your or even just for, I'm not too sure either. Why? You don't talk to Navy people? You don't like talking to Navy people?
Bring Sally up?
Yeah.
Gotta get my workout before we brought me.
What? Yeah.
I woke up early this morning and I went to the fight and died. Stop it.
What is this song?
Oh, because it's not paid yet.
It's okay.
Put it damn, man. Hey, go ahead.
Why is there still a fan in there?
No.
Did you do it?
Let me stop.